Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make a scrapbook on Canva. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in scrapbook. From here you can simply select scrapbook. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll see numerous scrapbook templates that you can choose from. The beauty about Canva is with these templates you get an idea of how your potential scrapbook can look, as you can see right here. And by the way, when you see 3 of 6, 4 of 6, that means that this particular scrapbook has 6 pages. You can see that this one has 5 pages. And anyone that you see with a gold crown that says Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to access that particular scrapbook to edit. But for this example, I'll simply use this one right here. So all you want to do once you find a template of your liking, you're going to simply tap on it, then select Customize this template. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to put your own personal touch on this template. So the first thing you can do, if you want, you could change the background by simply tapping on the current background. After you have tapped on the background, if it is the color you would like to change, in the top left hand corner you will see a color box. You could tap on that box, and from there you could select the color that you would like to change it to, as you can see right there. But if it is not the color that you would want to change and instead you want to add an image, you can either select Upload Image from the left hand menu option, and from there you could upload your own image. For example, by simply, let me do that again, by simply tapping on the image that you would like to upload. So first you are going to select the entire box, then you are going to drag the image that you would like to add, as you can see right there, and let it go, and that's it. The other thing that you can also do, as you can see here, if you would like to change the background image, all you have to do is simply tap on the current background and ensure that the entire box is selected, as you can see right here. Then you are going to right click and you will see the option Detach Image from Background. You will tap on that. Then you could clear the current image, and again you could simply tap on Detach Image. Then from here you could simply tap on Delete. After you have deleted it, you'll be able to add your own background. So you can simply drag and paste your current background. After you have placed it, you're going to right click. Then you're going to tap on Set Image as Background. And that's it. You can see now that the background has changed to your own image. Another thing you can also do, you can change this photo right here of the family by simply tapping on it. Then you're going to tap on the trash can and you're going to tap on Delete Image. After you have deleted the image, you can place your image right there of your family or whatsoever you want to put there, as you can see there. And to move the image, all you have to do is simply tap on it. Then you can drag it into position and you can scroll down, and from here you can select the other page. So you could tap on this page and you can tap on the text box. Then you can select the entire text box and you could clear it and add your text that you want to add. You can also change the font style by simply tapping on the particular text box that you would like to change. Then you could go over to the top left hand corner, and from here you can select the font style that you would like to use, and you can also change the size of the font. As you can see right here, so if you would like the font to be bigger, you can change the size of the font. And again, to change the photo is quite easy. All you have to do is tap on the photo section, then tap on the trash can and select Delete Image. Then all you have to do is go over to Uploads and select the image that you would like to use and place it in that section. then tap on it and drag it into position, as you can see right there. And you can do this editing with all the pages, so you could follow through with all the pages. And if you would like to add a page, all you have to do is simply tap on plus in the bottom right hand corner that says add page. And once you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. And from here you have two options. You can either tap on only you can access and change it to anyone with a link, and then select copy link and share that particular link with an individual, or you could tap on download, and from here you can simply tap on download image, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.